Welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run the online shopping store website project website which is created using the PHP. Let's scroll down little further and you can see this is the project ID you can search in our website. We can see the options for downloading source code and documentation. You can find the zip files in the download section. Make sure you download both files to understand steps easily. Now move to New tab in Google Chrome. Next we need to download the XAMPP from the original website and install it based on requirements. Choose based on your operating system. As I have already installed XAMPP on my laptop, let's move forward to the downloaded project files. You will find two project files, one is project documentation and project source code. Let's open the project documentation once where you can find all about the project requirements includes with introduction, source code, tables, system requirements, screenshots, feasibility study, approach to the program, UML use case diagrams, requirement analysis. Mostly you will get all required information in it. Mostly every project documentation has the above given data in the common and you can also snippet code into it if any further recognition in the project. You need to change the project documentation according to your university procedure and submit it. Make sure you add the recent screenshots. Now let's move to the project source code folder and you can see the project source code folder which contains all the files required and database folder contain .sql file. Now copy the source code online shopping store website project folder and move to the XAMPP folder created while installing. Now open Height Docs folder and paste copied online shopping folder, and when we open that and see we can all the PHP images files and you can also find the ecom.sql database file in it. Make sure ecom.sql file must be present in the folder which we upload to server. Now this file must be uploaded to the MySQL server. Now go the start menu and run the XAMPP control panel using the administrator rights and start both the Apache and MySQL server. Make sure the servers started successfully and running. Now open the Google Chrome and go to the PHP My Admin panel and click on the new and add the database to the MySQL server. Now click on the new options and here we need to add the ecom.sql file exact name, you can find that. Now first we need create the database in the name of the ecom because our .sql and database file must be same to avoid errors, and it's better to copy the file name from the database folder so that no error will happen further. Click on create. Next you need the upload the .sql file to our exam database from the e-commerce online shopping store folder which is located in the Height Docs folder, which takes a little more time based on the size of the SQL file. Here are our .sql file contains the tables like category, products, sales, users, details, shopping cart, etc. Great here. As you can see 34 queries were successfully uploaded. Now go the new tab and move to the location localhost index and you can find the e-commerce folder and click on e-commerce folder. Hooray, our website is live and running seamlessly. This the most useful and simple homepage similar to other shopping websites you can find online. You can see the homepage here, about us and contact us. When you move to category you will find laptops, desktop PC, tablets, smartphones. When you click on login you can log in into the website using email and password created. For new members, sign up form is ready to fill and get registered. Now this is the e-commerce shopping website project created using the PHP in a simple way. You can also add any new products to it easily. It is the hub for the all programmers students. This is all about the online shopping website project using the PHP. You can view project working video by clicking watch demo video. You can also join our YouTube channel Kashipara. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.